Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through using the Ecovacs Home app for iOS and Android devices to set up your Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni. If you're interested in the X11, a link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we're in the Ecovacs Home app right here. We need to add a new device. So we already have multiple Ecovacs products in our account. So for us, we need to go in the top right-hand corner. There's a little like scanning icon. It's got 4 corners and a line in the middle. We're going to select that. That's going to pull up the camera to scan a QR code, which can be located directly on the vacuum right there. Boom. We're going to scan that. Make sure the power is switched on. We do have our switch on. It's going to be all the way to the right. And we have multiple lights illuminated. So we powered it on. So turn on Bluetooth hotspot. So just press the reset button for 1 second, then release.
Turned on its Bluetooth hotspot.
We got that notification.
Once it appears in the app, just tap to start the connection.
Now we can connect to it within the app.
Deebot now is connected to the app via Bluetooth.
There we go.
Please select your home Wi-Fi and enter the password in the app to start the network connection.
I mean, it's telling us everything for us, but yeah, at this stage now we need to connect to the robot Wi-Fi. If you're having trouble, make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz network.
With internet access, Deebot's unlocked lots of new skills. To make it easier to reach Deebot anytime, let's go through a few quick setup steps.
So the voice prompts right there, the app's all synced up, hit continue. Now it's showing a download graphic. We'll enter into the device.
Hi there.
Firmware update.
I'm YIKO, your voice assistant.
So let's go ahead. Let's place this in the station.
Chatting with me anytime.
Make sure it's ready to charge.
No problem.
And we're going to update.
You can always turn on the voice assistant later in YIKO settings.
So now we're downloading firmware while it's still talking to us. Okay, so at 99%, we got that notification that the system's starting for 15 seconds. So just hang tight. And hopefully that means then the firmware has successfully installed and everything's done. There's our startup music. Update's complete. There we go. Now we can select got it. And we're taken back into our app where we have to do a little bit of scanning to find our vacuum. And here it is. We can bottom right-hand corner select enter and enter into the device. This is what it's going to look like when you initially set it up. And from this stage now, you can create your map. Once you have your map, then you can start cleaning.